This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pails, specifically these stainless steel pails. We have the 12-ounce round mini silver pail. It's 3.5 inches in diameter by 3.5 inches tall. And we have the 28-ounce round medium silver pail, which is 5.5 inches in diameter by 5 inches high. You can see they both feature these great handles that make them easy to carry and also adorable. They're a great way to add a special touch to your service. They're a really whimsical way to serve up things like fries, finger foods, appetizers, put out snack mixes and nuts, whether that's taking them to your tables or even putting them out on your bar. They're a great way to serve up seafood, but also to put together a little toolkit for your seafood service. So I think it's a great way to stack up things like your mallets, crackers, bibs, wipes, maybe some seasoning, lemon juice, and a nice attractive little presentation that's then easy for your servers to take out to their tables. They're a beautiful, shiny silver finish for an attractive service piece. They're made from durable, high-quality stainless steel for really long-lasting use. So they're great for a variety of food establishments, for the service and presentation of various foods.